How to add Gmail in Instagram bio. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Gmail in Instagram bio. To add your Gmail address or email address to your Instagram bio, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, you will need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once you are logged into your Instagram account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the bottom, you will find various icons. Tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page where you will need to tap on this Edit Profile option located just below your profile name. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page from where you can now edit your profile details. Here you will find the option Bio. In this Bio section, now type in your Gmail address. Tap on it and enter your Gmail address. You can also highlight it as your email address by typing email address ahead of this email. Now after adding your Gmail address, tap on the check mark at the top right of the screen. Once you tap on it, it will take some time and you can see you have successfully added your Gmail address on your bio. And when you come back, your Gmail address will now appear in your Instagram bio, making it easy for others to contact you via email. So by following these steps, you should be able to add Gmail address in your Instagram bio. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.